I realized as I was teaching my next class in 1212, I totally crucified this first Dalton's Law problem that I intended to be in Go Formative and forgot to put it in. So I want to do a brief workout for y'all and hopefully correct some of the confusion I probably caused. So this was the problem in the PowerPoint that said, what is the partial pressure of oxygen in a mixture? And it gave you the moles, not the mole fraction. It gave you the moles of all the gases in that mixture. Okay, so just to kind of visualize what the problem is telling us using Dalton's law, it's saying that it's a mixture of oxygen and nitrogen and argon. Whoops, pressure of argon. Right, so it gave us the partial, or the total pressure, which is atmospheric pressure, okay, 1.1. Now it does not give us the partial pressure of anything, okay? So we've got to go to the other formula that we're using in Dalton's law, and that is that the partial pressure of any substance, just say A, equals the mole fraction of that substance times the total pressure. Okay, so in this case, we can find mole fraction. They asked us specifically about oxygen, so let's find the partial pressure of oxygen. The mole fraction of oxygen is the moles of oxygen, 0.3, divided by the total moles. Okay, so we have 0.3 and 0.7, that's 1. Plus 0.25. So the total moles in this mixture is 1.25. So there's our mole fraction. Then we multiply that by the total pressure, which is atmospheric pressure. Okay, so the partial pressure of oxygen in this mixture, as a lot of you got, is 0.26. And that is atmospheres. That's the units they're using. All right. And I think when I was attempting to work it out on the fly without really having my brain in gear, I think I was just using moles and not mole fraction. So you have to use mole fraction and multiply that by total pressure.